Hello, my name is Penny Smith, and I'm a North Carolina real estate broker. Today I'd like to talk to you about the topic of how to rent out my home. If you're going to rent your home yourself, you need to go to Office Depot and get a whole array of different forms that you will need, from a rental application all the way to a rental contract, a move-in inspection form, and then you'll need to advertise. You could put a sign in the front yard. That's always good. But I also recommend you use the internet. A lot of people look for homes for rent on the internet. There are lots of free sites called Craigslist that you can advertise your property for rent on, and they're great tools. But if you don't want to go through all of that hassle yourself, my recommendation is to find a good real estate property company that does property management for you. They will charge you a nominal fee every month, but they do a lot for that money. They take care of repairs when they occur, and they send you a check once a month. They also take care of the eviction if it's necessary. They do the background checks and they on the applications, and I highly recommend the use of them. It certainly will free up your time and let you just simply enjoy getting a paycheck every single month. That is my recommendations on how to rent my home. I hope you have a good day. Thank you.